We'll guide you through how to use the timeline on Google Vids. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a browser. For example, I use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop. After the browser opens, access the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. Click Google Apps, then scroll down to find Google Vids. Alternatively, go to the search bar, type workspace.google.com, then press Enter. Next, select the product menu to view available Google Workspace tools. After the options appear, choose Videos to continue. Then click Sign in to Vids. When the pop-up menu appears, select Blank Video to open a new editing workspace. Click Show Timing. Then you will see the timeline of the available scenes displayed below the canvas. Click the plus icon on the right side to add a new scene as needed for your project. Select Scene 1, then click Stock to open the media library. Search Snow City, click Videos, and choose the desired footage to insert into the scene. After that, close the panel, then drag the video in the timeline to adjust the display duration, or drag the scene bar to adjust the scene duration based on your needs. Next, click Text, then create a title and adjust the style as needed to match your design preference. Then in the timeline, drag the text layer in the timeline to adjust when it appears. Next, click Add Transition, use Fade, then adjust it again in the timeline for smoother results. Repeat the same steps to add footage in Scene 2, for example, using falling snow visuals. To delete an unnecessary item, such as Scene 3, right-click it, then click Delete to remove it from the timeline. This method can also be used to remove all elements in the timeline if needed. Next, click Stock, then choose Music as an example and add it to the timeline. The audio will automatically be applied to all scenes in the project. You can adjust the duration by dragging the audio layer in the timeline. Next, click the timing menu icon to manage how elements are displayed. By default, Show All Timing is selected, so everything appears in the timeline. You can choose Show Timing for Selected if needed to focus on specific elements. As an example, select Show All Timing again to display all elements. Click Preview and view the result. Using the timeline on Google Vids is successful.